how to fix any Play Store error on your Android phone. So hello guys, all what you have to do is go to settings and then go to apps manager and then go to apps again and then search for Play Store and click on it. And now all what you have to do on your App Store Play Store settings, just click on storage and click on clear data and clear cache and then go back. Click here on this force stop option and then click on disable and enable it again. And now all what you have to do is restart your phone, and I am sure any problem that you have on the Play Store, it's gonna be solved 100%. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment, and see you later.